Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me Komal from ELICA Global Education. On this warm occasion of 76 years of independence, a special message for you all. In times of uncertainty and challenges, it's natural to question the path we are on and obstacles we face. Remember that Allah in His infinite wisdom and boundless compassion has better plan for you than you may realize. Trusting on Allah's plan requires patience, just as seeds take time to grow into trees. Your journey may take time to unfold. Have faith that every step is purposeful. The struggles you encounter are not without reason. They are opportunities for growth, resilience, and a deeper connection with your faith. Allah's plan may not always align according to your desire, but it always may lead what is ultimately good for you. Think back to that you have unique purpose in this world. Allah changes caterpillars into butterflies, diamond into pearls, sorrow into happiness. By His mercy, He is working on you too. A beautiful plan is waiting for you. Don't lose hope. Happy Independence Day to you all. Thank you.